channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm going to be doing a style of video that I don't think I've ever done on my channel before, which I'm surprised that I haven't, but it's going to be a spring lookbook, spring styling, outfits I can't wait to wear sort of video. I've been doing outfits of the weeks, hauls, different things like that, but I wanted to kind of share with you some different outfits that I can't wait to wear this spring. We're still transitioning here. This top is giving me so much spring vibes. I'm so excited for some warmer weather, but while we're transitioning, I have some fun outfits that I wanted to share with you that I plan to wear, that I can't wait to wear, that I've already worn and whatnot. I'm not sure exactly how many outfits I have back here. I'm gonna kind of just go with it. We're gonna do a time-lapse sort of thing so you can see the final look and the process of how I do it if I fail a couple times. But before we jump in, I want to say a big thank you to today's sponsor, which is Ana Luisa. So I'm going to share with you my 4 picks that I picked this month. This is how it ships to you, all super carbon neutral. No plastic in this box. I love these little canvas pouches. Like I've mentioned in the past, they're great for traveling, keeping your jewelry together, but not like tangled up. I absolutely love that. I get so excited when I drive home and I see this box sitting outside my door. I'm like, yes! So let me share with you some of my favorite pieces that I picked up this month, starting with bracelets. I've really been into bracelets, and I picked up the pearl bracelet last month, and it was in my favorites video. I was obsessed with it. I wore it all like month long. But these 2 bracelets, I love this little gold crystal like floral. It's like kind of like a flower shape. This is so dainty and so pretty. If you have small wrists, Ana Luisa has got you because it's got so many different settings on the back. I wear mine on the tightest setting for a more fitted look, but if you want it looser, you can always loosen it up. And then this classic gold band is so unique, but also just like a classic piece that I know I will wear for years to come. I absolutely love layering bracelets like this. Were you in the era of like the jelly bracelets and the beaded bracelets that you would wear all the way up your arm and take them off every day? This is my like more mature version of that, my little stack. I'm obsessed. And then I also got this cute little dainty ring. Sometimes I wear a pretty chunky diamond band on this hand, but I wanted something just so simple and small. I think this would be fun to layer other rings from Ana Luisa that I have. Specifically, I can think of this gold like chain one that I got last month. That would look really cute with this as well. So just kind of like a stacked jewelry moment, stacked ring look. And then last but not least, I got this necklace, which, y'all, I've never been like a huge necklace girl, but something told me to just trust myself on this. It's so dainty. It's like barely there, but it is the most subtle. I don't know. If you don't wear jewelry with your outfits, try it. I swear I was never like an accessory kind of girl, but since finding Ana Luisa, they have amazing products, amazing quality, really great prices. Plus you can use my coupon code KellysLife20 to save 20% off. Trust me on this, if you start accessorizing, your outfit just looks that much more put together, and I'm here for it. If you have not picked up your Mother's Day gift yet, tisk tisk, I'm ashamed of you, but there's still time with Ana Luisa, and I know that you will find something that she will absolutely love. I personally wish that I could gift my mother some Ana Luisa jewelry to just show her how special it is. And I think sometimes we think of jewelry either like super high-end, which they have actual diamonds if that's within your budget, but you can buy her like actual nice quality jewelry at an affordable rate to let her know how special she is to you. So if you are in the market for some jewelry for yourself or for your mom for this special Mother's Day, don't forget to head over to Ana Luisa and use code KellysLife20 to save 20% off of your order. All the specific details, I'll have everything linked in the description box down below. I know you guys are gonna absolutely love it because I have never worn jewelry pieces more in my life since finding Ana Luisa. So big shout out to them for partnering with me on this video, and let's go ahead and get into the spring lookbook. Alright you guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video, this new style of lookbooks. If you like it, it's not a new style. I'm not taking credit for that. I'm just saying it's a new style for me on this channel. So if you like it, it helps me so much by dropping a comment down below, letting me know what your favorite look was, and giving the video a thumbs up. It helps me know and helps YouTube know that you want to see more. And again, do not forget to check out Ana Luisa. They are the perfect stop for yourself or for a gift for Mother's Day. Don't forget to use code Kelly's Life 20 to save 20% off of your order. And a big shout out to them for partnering with me on this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.